you are a righty, so you can't be like that. You are a left-hand person. It's not that. Medical science absolutely disproves that. You will find many people, your right-hand people, who are fantastic with their logic and even art also. Most artists are right-hand people. Even to do mathematics one day, logical people good in math. But if you study higher mathematics, it's all about imagination. It's all about imagination. It's all about creativity. So the truth is, I'm a logical person. You should not remain like that. I'm like this, I'm like that. The moment you say I'm like this, I'm a logical person or I'm a creative person, you are creating your own blocks. Because remember one thing, life runs in full circle. Logical people who love to do maths, numbers, counting, as you grow in the mathematics field, you have to be imaginative and creative. People who are creative, I only love arts and science and crafts. At the end of the day, numbers are very important because, buddy, at the end of the day, life is connected with numbers. What is important is how you develop your cognition or your neural coherence. How your neural coherence function. How you can enhance it. Because the truth is, people who are excelling at some things are struggling at some other things. And he is good or she good in mathematics or education, but in sports they are not that good. You have to train yourself. Are you expressing your or experiencing your potential in every aspect of your life? You should be at least average in everything. Extraordinary in some fields. Done. Why? Because you need to train your inner system and outside system. Everybody has to be trained into everything. How can you train into everything? Time is short. But then life is big. Life is big. If you develop that higher cognitive functionings within you, you can easily experience awakening in every aspect of your life. So highly successful people will never tell you, I'm good at this, so I'll do this only. I'm good in this business, so I'll stick to the business. They change the business, they open multiple things. They just know how to scale it. Yeah, in the same fashion, everybody needs to train their cognitive functionings to scale themselves in every aspect of their life.